Hi, welcome. Just want to take a few minutes and show you some of the ways that we handle maintenance and what makes us different and how we use technology and leverage and different ways to help protect your cash flow. And one of the processes we use is on our work orders and how we handle work orders. So this is our work order dashboard. And I'll just walk you through this a little bit. So this is all our work orders that have come in last 30 days, last 7 days. We track everything. We call these our KPIs. So we make sure that we're getting things done efficiently, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. So we also track on how quickly that we are completing these melds, or as that's what we call them in our work order system. So you can see on average we completed in about just under 2 days, and that's from when the tenant puts it in until actually the job is fully complete. Some jobs take longer, but you get at the average days. One cool thing that we get to do as well is after every meld is complete, we send out a survey to our tenants to make sure that they're happy. So a big part of how we keep our owners happy is by keeping their tenants happy. Tenants happy. If the tenant is happy, they take care of the place, they stay longer. That helps with your cash flow. So we want to make sure that our maintenance guys that are going out there are taking good care of your tenants. Are they being courteous? Are they taking off their shoes? Is the job fixed right the first time? All that stuff. And obviously we get some knucklehead responses of they're disappointed that the hot water tank broke. Well, I get that, and they knock us for it. But what we want to do is I want to make sure that my guys are being courteous. My guys are cleaning up after themselves. They're taking care of your tenants and being respectful. So another way we help protect your cash flow. So let's take a quick example here. So this is a property that we have, and so here's a list of all the different work orders that have come in, in the last few months or whatever. So, and this is one that we just took care of today. And I want to show you a way of how we make sure that this is being taken care of. So this particular tenant called in, and they had a furnace go out. And when a furnace goes out, we have temporary heaters when the weather is cold that we put in there, because sometimes we need to order parts or whatever else. So we brought some temporary heaters over for her. And as you can see down here, she said that they were causing some electrical issues in the kitchen. So, and she went and she checked the fuse box and nothing popped and everything else. Well, anybody that has some sort of knowledge about, home and home repairs probably knows exactly what's going on here. I probably don't even need to tell you. So what a lot of places will do is they'll have to send somebody out and go out there and hit the little GFI switch to reset her outlets, so that, we don't have to do that. So what we do is we track every chat in here. So you can see Jose is actually one of my, he's actually the head of my maintenance, said that while the furnace guy was out there, we had him take a look at it, and he fixed the furnace issue, but he couldn't fix the electrical issue. And, Jose mentioned to him about the GFI outlets and how to reset it. She didn't know exactly how to do it all. So the problem is something that might be very simple in my world or in your world, that, hey, go reset a GFI. Some people don't know how to do that. So what we have is these templates. So you can see all these different situations that come up that we send this message over to them. And it says, hello, please use these troubleshooting steps and let us know if it fixed the problem. If not, we'll send somebody out. But the thing is we actually send a video. So, and not to bore you and have you watch a video of a video, but I just want to give you a little bit of a taste of exactly what's going on here. So this particular video literally walks them through exactly what to expect, how to hit the GFI, what should they look for. If sometimes, as you know, GFIs are in a chain. So there won't be a GFI on 3 outlets, but there will be on one. And maybe the outlet that's not working is, down the row of kitchen cabinets and they don't realize it. So they, need to look at this. Basically walks them through every basic common, issue, how to check a breaker, all that different information. Why this matters to you is I'm saving you money. I'm not sending a maintenance guy out there. There's no charge for me to send this information over to them. So all we have to do is, send this type of thing, and it eliminates a lot of these unnecessary calls, unnecessary trips, unnecessary expenses. And we have about 25 or 30 different templates that we use for very common problems that can be handled by the tenant, and therefore you don't have to pay for it. So just want to take a few minutes and show you that, and just show you one more reason what makes this difference. Thank you. Thanks for stopping by.